Hi everybody, I have a short video here for you today. I had to complete my Amazon Associates tax profile, and even with my accounting background, I was finding it confusing. And so I thought some of you might be finding it confusing as well. So I'm going to go over a couple of the more common scenarios for people filling out their tax profile so that you can understand how you should be filling this out for yourself. Most of you will be doing the individual tax classification, and this is going to apply if you are operating as a sole proprietor or if you're operating as a single member LLC. You'll see here that the business classification, if we went that route, only offers C Corps, S Corps. So a few of you may be S Corps, partnerships. It does offer limited liability company as an option, but when you continue further, the only tax types for LLCs are S Corp, C Corp, or partnership, and that's not going to apply to most of you. So most of us are individuals, can answer the citizenship question, enter your name, and then I'm also going to be entering in the name of my business. And this is where I got confused because I have an EIN for my single member LLC. That's how I'm structured. And I wanted my 1099 to be under the EIN number, not my social security number. And at first I didn't see the drop down option. So if you are a sole proprietor and you do not have an EIN, you will include your social security number, and any 1099 that Amazon Associates issues you will be to your social security number. If you are operating as a single member LLC or you have an EIN, you can still be a single member LLC without an EIN. So that's a possibility too. There's many scenarios of combinations of being an individual, having an EIN, not having an EIN, being a single member LLC, and once again, just having everything under your social security number or having an EIN. So I have an EIN, and that is what I wanted it to be under. And so that is the selection that I would pick. The rest is easy, just address information, and then we should be good. But I just wanted to go over this very quickly because I think often us sole proprietors and single member LLCs especially, these forms can be tricky because a single member LLC is a separate legal business entity, but because a single member LLC is taxed the same way as a sole proprietorship is, it's a pass-through tax formation where you are taxed on the individual level. That's why when you go to fill out these forms, you often need to select individual rather than business, even though you are a legally formed separate business. So I hope that helps you when you're trying to figure out your Amazon Associates tax information. And a lot of this would also apply to other selling platforms. The way it's structured, I have found, is often similar to this, where the single member LLCs are listed as individuals and not as businesses. Okay, have a great day. If this was helpful, I would really appreciate your like and your subscribe. Happy affiliate marketing.